To get regular updates on my recipes, subscribe to our channel and then click the bell icon. Hi and welcome to Rajshri Food. This is Nupur and as promised, I'm back with another recipe which you may feel is impossible to make without dairy. It is also a very healthy version of the recipe because I'm going to use potatoes and cauliflower instead of refined flour as a thickener. So let's begin. I have put in my steamer 1 cup of potato and 3/4 cup of cauliflower. The potatoes have become nice and soft and now we will blend them with some coconut milk. I have 2.5 cup of coconut milk here which I'm going to blend it with. Now please do not buy coconut milk which is ready-made in the market because it's full of chemicals. I have shown how to make the coconut milk in many of my previous recipes like the chash recipe and the methi matar malai recipe. You can check them out if you want to make it. For now I'm using this into my potato. I've used around half of this and let's blend the potatoes. Blend it into a nice creamy paste. Now let's cook it. Take less than half teaspoon of oil. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now once they start turning brownish, we'll add this paste. Let's cook it on slow flame. Add some more coconut milk if you need to. And while this is on the gas, let's blend our cauliflower. Again, use the coconut milk to blend it. I want the starchy taste of the potato to go and hence I've cooked the potato. The cauliflowers don't really need to be cooked, they just need to be integrated. The potato gives this a very creamy texture and the cauliflower gives it a very nice buttery cheesy kind of a flavor. Let's add some salt and let it cook for another 3-4 minutes. So it's been around 4 to 5 minutes and our sauce is almost done. Finally, let's just add some black pepper and some Italian herbs and close the gas. Mix it nicely. And our white sauce is ready. You can use it in your pasta, your baked vegetables or any other way that you would like to use. Do try it. Let us know how it turned out. Write in the comment section. Till then, cook right and stay healthy.